Amazing ceramic tile repair techniques. In 6 detailed steps, this master repaired the floor tiles with round holes as new. How did he fix it? Don't miss this 5-minute tile repair video. A decoration worker called in panic.
I cut the socket holes for the ceramic tile of a customer's house, but I cut it in the wrong position, which damaged the newly installed floor. There are no floor tiles from the same batch to replace. What should I do?
Don't worry, we fixed the world. Give us 2 hours to surprise you and your client. Standardized ceramic tile repair generally requires 5 to 6 steps, including wax removal, filling, sanding, base color painting, texture painting, and glaze protection in order. Those single color tiles don't need to be textured. Next, we follow the master and explain the repair process in detail step by step. Step 1. Wax removal. Some restoration masters will ignore the wax removal step when performing ceramic tile repair work. For example, this master, at least in the video, did not see his first step of removing wax. Fortunately, the final result seems to be pretty good. Practical tips. Wax removal is important because if the wax around the wound is retained, subsequent steps including spraying color and spraying glaze for protection may cause the liquid to gather into water droplets. Step 2. Wound filling. Depending on the depth and width of the wound, decide what material to use to fill it. Here, by using a small piece of tile just fit and turning it around with its rough bottom facing up, even the work of knotting can be omitted. Then mix the marble glue curing agent in a ratio of 50:1 and use a scraper to fill the surface and gaps. Practical tips. In the video, the master added black pigment to the marble glue and then filled it twice. The purpose of this is to make the filling surface more environmentally friendly, which not only improves the efficiency of subsequent steps, but also ensures that the repaired wound is more durable. Step 3. Sanding. Just sand as you normally would, using sandpaper from coarse to fine. If you want me to give you some more advice, it would be to use the star-shape sanding method, which will give you better results. What? Not sure what is star-shape sanding method? Then leave a comment and let's discuss it together. Practical tips. Since the marble glue is relatively rough, there will still be some tiny blisters on the surface after sanding. At this time, you can fill it with super glue on the back of sandpaper, and then sand it smooth. Step 4. Background color spraying. This is an important step. Use special ceramic pigments and toner to adjust the base color and spray the wounds. What color is a suitable base color? Different repair masters will give different answers. Also, different repair objects may also require different solutions. My plan is, the color that occupies the largest area of the repair object is the base color you need to adjust. Then use a spray gun to paint, paying attention to the fusion with the original color of the outside of the wound. Practical tips. The surface of ceramic tiles is smooth and the adhesion is low, so when spraying, you need to spray thinly several times. Otherwise, paint stains will form if it is too thick. Step 5. Texture drawing. Together with the 4th step, these are 2 extremely critical steps that determine whether the restoration will look realistic and natural after completion. However, in terms of expression, not much can be said about this step. You only need to use a brush and mix paint to imitate the surrounding environment and draw the texture. The only practical tip I can remind you is, from primary to secondary, from big to small, make the inside and outside coherent. Step 6. Spray glaze sealing. Many videos don't tell you the step, but it plays a decisive role in durability. Ordinary pigments and paints are easily worn away during use. This problem can be fully solved by spraying high-hardness glaze on the repaired wound surface. After spraying the glaze, there will be a mist-like edge on the surface of the ceramic tile. At this time, we need to spray a fusing agent to allow the glaze to blend naturally with the surrounding environment. Judging from the final result, this was a successful tile repair. I hope my explanation can help you gain something, and if you encounter the same problem, you can try to do it yourself. Welcome to leave comments and discuss together. If you want to see more videos about the restoration of marble, sintered stone, ceramic tiles, wooden and leather furniture, remember to subscribe to our channel.